Okay, guys, please close your laptop first. Pay attention. Okay, first of all, let's pray and thanks to our God, Allah Subhanahu wa Taala, who has given us mercy and blessing, so we can gather here in good condition without any troubles and obstacles. And don't forget to say salawat to our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who guide us from the darkness era to the lightness era. Okay, you guys, how are you today? Good. So today, we're gonna learn something different. It is social media in the digital era. Okay, before we have learned about IELTS, yeah, such as eye listening and reading. So for today, it will be different. Yeah, today is about social media in the digital era. Okay. Okay. So here I have an example of the dialogue between Rafi and Fikri. Yeah. So what they are talking about. Yeah. Okay. They're talking about social media. So for Arya, can you help me to read text of Rafi and Sarah?
Udah ganti ya? Udah ganti mas?
And for Fahim,
YouTube, WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram, and LinkedIn.
I know those too, but I mostly use Instagram, YouTube, and WhatsApp.
Which one do you use most often?
I use Instagram the most because I either watching reels and sharing photos.
I usually
use YouTube because I like.
use YouTube because I like watching tutorials and educational videos.
right?
You should use social media wisely and responsibly.
Okay, that's the example of the dialogue between Rafi and Vikri. They are talking about social media. Okay, so what we'll learn today? Okay, what we are gonna learn or what we learn today. So the first one, you have to identify platforms. Identifikasi platforms, right? Okay, you have to recognize and name common social media platforms used by teens today. Okay. Second one is explain the function. Okay. Describe what each platform is used for in daily communication. Right? First is identify. Second one is explain the function of social media that you know or that you have been used. Okay. Third one is discuss benefit and impacts. Okay. So you have to find benefits and impacts of the social media that you know or that you use every day. Yeah. Share ideas about positive and negative impacts of social media. Okay, next, build a concept map. Okay, so to make a concept map, you can use website such as Canva, Whiteboard, Google Jamboard, but the Google Jamboard is already I don't know. If I open the website, I can't reach that. I don't know. But Canva Whiteboard it still can be used, or if you have Figma, you can use FigJam. Yeah. You can build a concept map or like mind mapping. Okay, I will explain after this. Yeah, organize your ideas visually. You can use Canva or something else. Next, speak confidently. Okay, communicate clearly in English using new vocabulary and useful expression. Okay, you will communicate to your friends, and in front of your friends. Okay, yeah. And the last, present with a partner. So I will give you in a pairs, yeah, berpasang-pasangan. So your pairs or your partner is the friend next to you. For example, Ahmad with Rafsan, Rashid with Yoga, and next. Okay. Right? Understand? Alright. Any question?
No, sir.
Okay. Go to the next. Okay. Let's have about you. Okay. So take 5 minutes to discuss, yeah, with your partner about the social media that you choose or that you know. Yeah, the first one is your platforms. Okay. What platform do you choose or do you use every day, yeah, to get some information from the internet or something? And the second one, your top app or the application that you always use that application, maybe 10 times in a day. And the third one is give the reason why you like it. Do you why you like that application? And the last, how many hours that screen time you have in a day? Right. Okay. Yeah. Hey, this is explanation for social media. Okay, social media are online platforms and applications that allow people to create, share, and interact with content in real time. Okay, through text, photos, videos, and messages. Okay, why do people use it? Yeah, the first reason is communicate with friends, family, and classmates. Okay, the second one is to share photos, videos, ideas, and opinions. Okay, the next is learn new skills and find information quickly. And the last one is build networks for study, business, and careers. Okay. Now, this is common social media platforms. I'm sorry, because the logos are missing. I don't know what happened to the logos. Okay, the first one is there are seven example of social medias. Okay, the first one is Instagram. The main function of Instagram is photo and video sharing. Yeah, maybe you can share reels, or Instagram has released a new feature, yeah, instant. Instant in Instagram. You can share a photo in real time. Okay. Yeah, example activity, you can posting photos, watching reels, following influencers, sharing story, or find memes, yeah, whatever it is. So next, TikTok, yeah, TikTok, and you can use TikTok for making short video, yeah, for making short video or watching short video, just creating trends and dance challenge, but in here, I'm not watching. And learning through skills. Okay, and the next is YouTube. Yeah, YouTube is especially for long form video. Yeah. So in YouTube there are many videos such as tutorial, music, games, or live streaming, something else like that. And the next is WhatsApp. Yeah. I'm sure that you use WhatsApp every day, every time to message your friends, to chat your friend or parents, to send the task. Yeah. And in here maybe WhatsApp is the main application to make class environment connect. Because maybe when I was in Solo, we were not able to use WhatsApp, so we use Google Classroom or Google Chat. But in here, we can use WhatsApp for communicate each other. Okay, in WhatsApp, you can sending messages, voice note, group chats, video calls with family and friends. And the next is Facebook. Do you use Facebook? No, you don't use Facebook. Why? Too old? It's too old.
Yes, to all.
UI is too old.
Yes.
There are more daily jokes, blah blah blah.
Yeah.
Alright. So, but in Facebook you can earn money, yeah, with Facebook ads. So if you don't use Facebook, it's really what's it called? Okay, next. Facebook is connecting with friends, joining group events, marketplace, and new feeds. Yeah. So the next one is Telegram. Yeah. Do you use Telegram for
Yes.
for daily use?
No.
No. You don't use Telegram.
I use.
So, okay, the next is X or Twitter. Yeah, and in X or Twitter, there are many news or opinions, so you can make a statement in Twitter and or make a hashtag, yeah, for something happened in your life or in your country. Yeah. And the last is LinkedIn. Yeah. You have LinkedIn, yeah. You have LinkedIn, right? To make a portfolio or prepare for looking for a job. Okay, LinkedIn is professional network, yeah. LinkedIn is a social media too, but social media that can build a career profile, network, and finding job, and the last is sharing achievements. Okay. LinkedIn is still different, yeah, between or among that application before. Okay. So what can social media do? Okay, the first is communication. You can serve entertainment, education, business, networking, information sharing, marketing, and global connection. Yeah. So in social media, you can do whatever you want. Yeah, so we can look for social media. Okay, now this is benefits. Yeah, I give you example of social media benefits. So after this, I will give you a task. Yeah. So the benefits of social media is to make easy communication. Yeah, learning opportunities, business promotion, networking, creativity, global connection, access to information, and career development. So this is example of benefits of social media. Yeah, this is just example. So you can find others. Yeah. So in the class, you have to find the good impacts and bad impacts of social media that you use for daily life. Okay, for example, the good impact is make better communication. You can do online learning. Social media can increase your creativity and help you to collect digital collaboration and get global connection. And bad impacts is cyberbullying. As you know, in internet there are many cyberbullying and fake news or hooks, yeah. And the next is privacy issues, screen addiction, yeah. For the last is mental health issues. Okay, this is the example of impacts of social media. Okay. So I hope in your conversation later with your partner, you can use this vocabulary, yeah. This is useful vocabulary that you can use in conversation between your partner later. Okay. Here you can see, as you can see. Okay. Now, okay. Here I have a template, yeah, template or phrase this to help you communicate with your friend later. Okay, you can use I usually use blah 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 blah. For example, I usually use Instagram, or I often watch something I think one positive impact or something. And then after that, you have to make comparison between one social media to others. Okay, for example, I prefer use Instagram than uh, TikTok, because Instagram more light, yeah, than TikTok. Or TikTok is really bad for making good habits. Okay, so this is the concept for making the task. Okay, the task is, okay. Now open the laptop and search Canva. Open the Canva. Right? Have you opened Canva? Have you already opened? Okay. Ready? Okay. Is it done? Alright. Okay. I'll give you the tutorial how to make Canva whiteboard. Okay, open Canva. Have you opened Canva?
Yes.
Okay. And choose whiteboard.
Whiteboard.
Yes. Is there whiteboard? Canva whiteboard.
So like.
This. Okay, Canva whiteboard. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it open?
Oh, like close.
Is it open? Okay. If you have opened the Canva, click whiteboard. Okay. 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 Just delete the template and make it blank. Okay. Okay. Here is a blank canvas. So, okay, you open.
Making like.
Okay. 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 Click whiteboard. Canva whiteboard. Okay. Alright. Okay. Here we have a blank canvas. So, the first, go to elements. Okay. with the elements and make shapes.
Shape.
Yes. Okay, choose the shape what you want. For example, here. Whatever. Okay.
Shape.
Okay, no, you.
Okay. Done. Okay, type the name of social media that you want to explain. One. Yeah, one social media that you want to explain.
YouTube. Link could be on Instagram.
Okay.
Anything, sir, besides the one that.
Yes.
Anything, right? That
Yes, that's the only example.
These or
For example, I choose YouTube. Okay, you can change or adjust the color to make it readable. Okay, is it done? The text change. Text. White. Yes. No, social media. This is not a social media, it's a game. Okay, if you have done, okay, put the line. Okay. Here,
Instagram.
you can make it better. This is the example for me. Okay. Okay. You done? Have you done? Okay. Okay, add more shapes and put below the lines. And type function and benefits and impacts. This is for function, benefit, and impacts. Okay, there are three. The next is for impacts. Yeah, there is good impacts and bad impacts.
Good impact and bad impact.
And the rest is bad impacts. Okay, you done?
It's the green signal.
You done? Okay. Okay, here you can see. The first is explanation, impact, and function. The explanation is express. It's good. Greater than me. Okay. Okay, here, for example, we have YouTube. You can explain what is YouTube, what is YouTube used for, and what is the impacts. And if you use YouTube, yeah, what is the good impacts and the bad impacts, and what is what the function of YouTube? Yeah, for example, for watching videos, for videos, or search the material or information. Okay. Okay. You done?
How many function?
Function. The minimum is 3. Yeah. The minimum is 3 of the functions. Function, minimum 3 functions of what?
Less than.
Plus impact,
Impacts.
bad and good.
The left one is good, and the right one is bad. Bad impacts. Okay. And
For me, tutorial.
Alright, go ahead. Okay. After that, in the explanation, you can explain the social media that you choose. Yeah, about that social media, and about YouTube, about TikTok, about Instagram, and mention the good impacts and bad impacts, and then
Explanation.
explanation.
And work appropriate.
Okay. The minimum of function is 3 functions. And minimum of good and bad impacts is 3. 3 good impacts and 5 and 3 bad impacts. You can make it better than me. Just give this for example. So because you will present your the map, you will present your mapping in front of your friends, yeah, with your partner in pairs. Yeah. In pairs usually do it. I give you. Yep. So you sharing information each other. You share about your social media to Umar, and Umar share this information. Yes.
No.
Ahmad with Rafsan, you, Rashid with Yoga, Emir with Umar, Gani with Ardan, Sahil with Arya, Arkan with Jaki, Akram with Ryan, and Ojan with Raka, and you?
So we are all on social media.
Yes, yes.
Not the same social media. Not the same social media.
You have to choose your own social media or
Like this.
okay.
Same copy.
Or no, you not add something.
Alright, kita social media sendiri.
Has any question?
No, sir.
Saling sharingnya.
You would like want to ask?
No, sir. Startup.
Okay. You can add the logo of your social media. Yes, I know you can. You want to ask, right?
Must different or not?
Yes, must be different.
Must be different.
Must be different. You with
Ojan.
whom? With Ojan.
Yes.
Okay. For example, Ojan TikTok, you YouTube. Your video. Don't be same. Don't be same. Don't be same. Should be different.
Yeah.
Sorry, Jen.
Must be different.
Oh, no.
No, no, do not do that.
This
Okay,
one
social
like that.
media.
Tekniknya seperti itu.
What social media you choose? TikTok. You with Rastan, right? Rastan? What social media you choose? No, don't be same. Should be different. If you choose TikTok, Rastan should be YouTube or something else. Or you? Want to change? Should be X. Are you with him? With fine.
The others like explanation, impact, and function. 3.
Minimum is 3.
Minimum is 3.
Yeah.
Minimal.
Okay, make it to conversation.
Sir,
Yes?
how many factor each?
Three.
Three.
Three batting packs and three hitting packs. So, what's your social media now? YouTube. Right. Pardon? What about you? No.
Ni hoa.
No. Be serious, yo. Be serious.
More, right?
No. It really wash.
This using what again?
You?
Logo. Yes,
Take a logo, Rashid. Don't forget, hey, don't be like that.
Your thoughts.
Okay, I give you 10 minutes, you have to make it 10 minutes. And discuss with your friend first before you present in front of your friends. Alright? Do you copy? If I say do you copy, you say copy that, sir. Alright? Do you copy?
Copy that, sir.
Alright, good. It sounds good.
Yes.
Yeah.
More serious.
More like.
I went through.
You with explanation. Oh, you with Arman. You with Akram with Akram.
You. I find out.
You do it. Ryan with Akram.
Because it was
If like this, can I
What?
This is.
What do you choose?
You do
What do you choose?
it. You do.
Categories. But you have to make it by yourself. Yes. It's just for example.
Cecet.
Make it by yourself.
Good.
Make it yourself.
Yes.
This kan.
Make it by yourself, Rashid.
Oh, yes.
Of course. Of course, no.
Of course.
Yes.
Bocor semua bisa. Di sini.
What about you choose?
Ini juga.
Ready?
Good.
No one choose Kaskus.
Sir, cannot use any.
No.
Enak.
Oh. It can be used but for reference. Yeah, for reference, yeah, Ryan. But you have to make the chart by yourself.
Scrolling.
Okay, Ahmad, who is your partner? Okay, Rashid, who is your partner? Who's your partner?
The name.
Oh, yoga.
Mention the name. Emir, who's your partner? Okay, Gani, who's your partner? Who's your partner, Gani? Aim, who's your partner? Arfan, who's your partner?
Set.
Arfan, who's your partner? Okay, Akram, who's your partner? Okay, Wajan, who's your partner? Okay, for you,
I don't know.
Nothing alone.
it's all you explain by Wish. Details.
This one.
Score. Right. Okay, 7 minutes left. 7 minutes left, guys. So I will call you. I will call you. Is it done, Yoga? Have you done?
Yes, maybe done.
Maybe what? Maybe that's all for
Yeah.
application. Right? Any question about that?
No, no, sir.
Your face looks like wants to ask something to me.
No, 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 no. Okay.
What about you, Kojan?
Ryan.
Yes.
Learn.
Easy. Just do it. Do it. Okay, 6 minutes left. Okay, for tomorrow, prepare for IELTS listening again. The section, let's go, the last section. So, some of you hasn't send the picture of your score to the group.
Yes,
I don't know if you who hasn't done that. Just take a screenshot. We have 5 minutes left. Don't forget to give the explanation, the good impacts, bad impacts, and the function of your social media. Use for what? Okay, 4 minutes left. 4 minutes left. Ryan, have you done Ryan? Yes. Yes. Practice. Explanation. Fact. In contrast, cannot choose there are good and one. What about you?
More better.
Sir, yes. Alright, go ahead. Sir, where's the explanation?
Wow.
Very good.
Good job.
What bathroom?
Don't forget to read the explanation.
Yes, yes, like that, right?
Yeah.
Like that. Like that.
And after that, you will present the partner 2 by 2. 2 by 2. You have a problem? No?
I guess now.
You have a problem? Yes? Okay, 3 minutes left. Next.
No, sir.
Okay, 2 minutes left. Hurry up, hurry up. I will just randomly. So just be ready to present and explain with your partner.
Everybody.
Ala ka? Yes.
You done? Pardon?
Well, see.
Then you done? Go ahead. You go ahead, you done?
Itu again.
It's all again. No, you'll be more in school. You're in trouble. Ryan, what about you? Ready?
Just simple, right?
What do you mean?
The explanation.
You're not able to read the explanation, you can improve it by yourself. Okay, time is up. You ever ready, guys, to present in front of your friends?
Yes.
Okay, start from Arya and Fahim. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Okay, Arya and Fahim, time is yours.
How to tell it that?
What?
How to tell it? Just tell it like what?
Just bring your laptop, and first one is, who will be the first? You or Arya? Because Arya first. Arya will explain his social media, and you,
Yeah, I'll take it.
you're first.
Yeah.
Okay. Hello. After that, Arya. After you, you first.
That improve some events for me. Umur nak ketiganya. Jawab. Udah deh. Hah? Ya udah itu. Bikin udah belum? Nggak akan dah. Salman. Asyik. Juga belum. Hah? Ini gua hari ini.
Yes. Pay attention, please. Yep. Just start.
Baik, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay, everyone, I'm Fahim, and today I'm gonna deliver my presentation about with discussion before. So here I take credit for our my team here. So here Reddit, we move into the first explanation. So basically, Reddit is an social media and media platform where you can discussion anything inside, and we call that subreddit. You may share your knowledge or maybe information you have, and you can look for other ideas there. And we move into the function first. Okay, so the function of Reddit we can discuss, and also in discuss we need to have a question and answer a question. So that's where Reddit exists, and we can use sharing. If you got the news in your local or maybe international news, you may share in this platform. Then learning on like such like Python tutorial, whiteness and other. Then last of course product reviews. So maybe you need to buy new TWS or whatever is that you may looking for in Reddit. Maybe there's another user have experience in. Yep, and you can see the review. And we move into the impacts. So here there are two impacts, the good impacts and bad impacts. Impacts, okay, whatever is that. I'll start with good impacts. Here, Reddit is one of the large communities for every topics in the world. So, but if you wanna looking for community discussion, you may go to Reddit instead of Discord. Then the second, the first answer from experienced people. Yeah, here you can experience a lot of information inside. And great place to learn new skills, to depend on the platform, real user review and experience. And free access to valuable information inside. And we move into the bad side. Okay, because this talking about news, of course, there's a lot of misinformation inside, and also a lot of toxic and rude people or users inside the platform. So you have to be careful. Then, a lot of scrolling can waste our time. That's the main reason why social media is bad. Then some discussion become decide on one side. So there's another wings maybe in the platform. So there may be toxic and may be war. Then not good for work. And in private content is available. So you may find a lot of bad content inside of Reddit. So you know the truth and you have to filter it. And maybe that's all from me. If I got some mistake, sorry. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, next, Arya. It's Miss yours. Arya, time is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, guys. So now on this session I want to show to you all about YouTube. Okay, so without further ado, let's to explain this one. So the explanation of YouTube is an online video sharing and streaming platform based in the United States that was launched in February 2005. On the site, users can upload, watch, share, like, and comment on a wide variety of content, such as music video, vlogs, tutorials, and streamings. And the next is the functions. And the next is functions. So YouTube is versatile video sharing and social media platform that allows users to watch, update, upload, discover, and share video content. And the next is impact. So I have two impacts. The first one is the good impact, and the second is bad impact. So the first point of good impact is a source of education and new skills, and the next is income and career opportunities, and the next is bad impact. So the first point of bad impact is risk of addiction and loss of focus, and the second point exposure to an appropriate content. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you so much.
Okay, let's start the conversation.
Okay, hello Arya. Welcome. Okay, today I heard your company report, your presentation I mean, and one of the function of YouTube is for watching a long-term video, right? Okay. What do you think? Which you prefer? As I know, in YouTube there's the new feature about YouTube is YouTube Short, right?
Yes.
And why do they do that? I mean, like they have the long term video, why they should make the short one.
Because many people population prefer the short content than long term video because maybe their think long term video is waste of their time. And
Okay. Maybe you know wanna hear about a bit information about Reddit, like I have listened before.
I don't know about Reddit because
Okay, no problem. So I'll go with maybe Reddit basically like I've mentioned before, a social media where you can discuss a lot of things inside. It's like such like chat community, such like Discord, but it's more into it. Okay.
so it's only the platform.
Huh?
It's only the platform.
Yeah, of course that's right. Okay, thank you Arya for your time. Thank you.
Alright,
So goodbye.
okay, for the next, Ryan and Akram. Who will be the first? Akram or Ryan? Okay, I will choose Ryan.
I have the
What?
connector.
What? I don't have the connector.
Before I will do Alif, but Alif there is not.
So, your friends? Or you can share the link to Akram. Use Akram's laptop. Okay. We change to because there's something with Araya. So
Your watch.
Okay, Umar.
Me.
Yeah, Umar and Emir. Who will be the first? Umar, Emir. Okay, Umar first.
Which one?
Okay, time is yours.
Right. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So yeah, I'm Mark Osman, and today I would like to present you about my social media. It's called GitHub. Maybe for you guys, developers, know what is GitHub. So let me explain what is GitHub. Here is the explanation. GitHub is actually a place for you to make your website public. It's for a public repository. But since it can use to post text and use for discuss, so I'll just call it social media for developers. So GitHub as a social media platform is a specialized social coding network where developers collaborate, share code, and showcase their technical work using the familiar social mechanism. rather than photos or story update like other social media, user publish their code repositories. So track each other activity through feeds and start their favorite projects like bookmarking posts. So if you think that the code, for example, you what boring and using GitHub, and you found a cool code that, yeah, you can just start it. Then next, I would like to explain about the function. GitHub function as a social platform, by enabling asynchronous or unsync code review. So yeah, you can review your code each other in a not real time, so unsync. Yeah, that you understand what I mean. And collaborative issue tracking, global open source project management, and developer networking through shared repositories. So you can make networking, you can make network with other people by using this by your repository. And next, let's go to the impact. Of course, everything has a good and bad impact. Here is the good impact. First is instant collaboration. For example, you have a project and you want to collab with your friends. You can just use GitHub for instant collaboration with your friends. And living portfolio, just as I said, GitHub is place for placing the code. So it also can be your portfolio. So if you want to get a job, you can just share your GitHub, and the HRD will check what projects have you made. And the next is accelerated learning. Because it's full of open source code, you can search the code that you like and try to review it and learn from it. And the bad impact here is public criticism. So if your mental health is not good and you post such a bad project or a project that has a lot of bugs, maybe people will judge you and mock you or something like that. Yeah. So yeah. And the next is virus, hack, and others. Yeah, because it's place for good code. If you download the wrong code, maybe you can be accidentally downloading a virus or hack your own laptop or something. Yeah, so be careful. And the next is popularity versus quality. Sometimes people using GitHub to looking for a good project, what the functional project, the one that you use for your daily, but because there is a star, so it can be over popular. So the trending code can be higher, can be more popular than the real functional one. So yeah, maybe that's all from me. Sorry if I made some mistakes. That's what I say. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Umar. The next is Emir.
Okay, bismillah, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I want to present about WhatsApp. So there is three point: explanation, impact, and function. So first, the explanation. WhatsApp is a free cross-platform instant messaging application for smartphone. Like you can message other people in every country. For example, you from Indo and you send message your friend from Aussie maybe or London. Okay, you next to impact. The impact is WhatsApp has turned from a global communication by eliminating geographical barriers and conversational telecom costs. It's like you can message your friend, like I said before, if you're from Indonesia, you can send message to your friend from far of you. Okay, and the last is function. The function of this application is you can text and voice messaging, audio and video calls, media, and document sharing, WhatsApp web and desktop, communicate and channels it. Yeah, maybe that's all from me. So if there is mistake, I'm so sorry. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Conversation.
So Umar, before I'm present about WhatsApp, so what is the reason why WhatsApp was created, or why WhatsApp the one I mean this WhatsApp, not WhatsApp, but every people use WhatsApp for text messaging or like I said before.
Maybe because it's the popular way and it's the safest way because people already know WhatsApp long before Telegram or others, so it's have good history and good permanence.
Good companies.
Yeah.
Companies. And so why WhatsApp is okay. What is bad impact of WhatsApp?
First, as I know, as my experience,
No problem.
the first is books. Since WhatsApp now have channel, so everyone can share everything. Maybe there are a few news channels that share books. And then second is scam. Because yes, scam. Because my parents have ever message with someone that said he borrows money from my parents, but it's actually not. Scam kind of like that.
Maybe that's all from my conversation with Umar. Thank you so much for your
Yeah, for the next is Yoga and Rashid. Will be the first. Yoga. Second is yours. Okay, Yoga, time is yours.
Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today I wanna presentation about TikTok. Yeah. This TikTok there is example explanation. Then there is social media platform where people can create, watch, and share short videos. And education, business, platform and the video. And then there is the impact from TikTok. TikTok has both positive and impact from video. Yeah. It helps people express creativity, learn new skill, and export to misinformation or something. And then the function, TikTok is used to create, edit, and share some videos. It is used to learn new things. Then the good impact from TikTok helps people express creativity and learn new skills, share educational content, and promote issues and connect with others on the world. In branches, people branches and from German. And the bad impact that can cause productivity and with misinformation. And the point can get negative thing from maybe this country. Thank you for the attention.
Okay, thank you, Yoga and Rashid. Time is yours. Okay, time is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
My name is YouTube. The first I want application. YouTube is video sharing application that allow user to reach, upload, share, and create video. It is short for learning, entertainment, communication, and business. Then impact. The impact YouTube has made impact on people. It prevents both positive and negative effect depending on how user was the platform. And then the function. The main function of YouTube is to let user watch and upload videos. It also helps people learn new skill, and then search information and connect with an audience around the world. And then the good impact. YouTube helps people learn new things, improve skill, many proper business and stay internet. It also makes education connects reflect to everyone. And the bad impact, like using YouTube too much can watch time, production, spread false information and express pressure to important contact if not visual. Okay, thank you. This. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay. Right, we should just stay there. Right, ready? Okay, time is yours.
Okay, for that I wanna ask you shit about YouTube ya. Shit, what is YouTube?
Is YouTube like you can use like short and use like watching and then for look the skill, you can look skill. Okay, I ask you, what is TikTok?
TikTok is you can search video about IT or something like that. Can search can send the video to your friend or to your parents, but like
what is impact for TikTok?
can get skill. Skill. Yeah. What? Impact
Question is
For YouTube,
the minimum of
the
control.
like short video like tutorial.
This all from Yoga and Rosid. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, for the last for today is Raka and Fauzan. Yeah. Who will be the first?
Fauzan.
Okay.
Fauzan.
Yeah, for Fauzan, go ahead. Fauzan, time is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So today I want explain all about TikTok. So TikTok is a social media app. People use it to watch and make short videos. The videos are usually 15 seconds to a few minutes long. You can watch dancing, cooking, and jokes or music and animal. And the impact TikTok changed how people spend time, get news, and talk to friends. Many people use it every day.
And then the function, the first you can watch your movies, and the second you can make your own videos. The third you can follow other people. The fourth you can chat with friends. And the last you can add music and effect to videos. And the good impact, you can also learn new things fast, like cook, or you can improve your English skill and others. And the second, creativity. You can make videos and show your talent. And the third, connection. You can talk to friends and meet new people here. And then the fourth, business. Small shop can sell things and get famous. And then bad impact, addiction. Some people use it too much and forget their work and sleep. The second, fake news. Some videos have wrong information. Then the third, mental health. Some people feel sad when they compare their life to others online. And the last, privacy risk. Some people share too much personal information. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, Raka, last.
Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, today I want to present about social media, Instagram. Okay, the first I want to present about the explanation first. Okay, the explanation is Instagram is free social media platform owned by Meta that lets users share photos, short videos, and message. Launched at 2010, it allows you post permanent content to your profile, share temporary, and update that's disappear in 24 hours or story, and publish short form video clips like or reels. Okay, the function of Instagram is the first function is watch reels or watch people post or photo story and instant. Okay, the second function is make a content like if you want to make like something video, you can post in Instagram. Okay, the third is promotion a startup or others business. Okay, the next is social. Okay, the next is impact of Instagram. Okay, the first is good impact. People can, the first is people can something reels and can make something reels or post, or if you want to somebody know you live in this world, you can post our life in story. And the next is socialize. In Instagram, you can socialize with other people, like chat, yes, message or others. Okay, the next is learn so many lessons. Okay, the next is bad impact. Okay, the bad impact of Instagram is hate comment or cyberbullying. The next bad impact is your time in your life is will useless if you not use for something useful. Okay, the next is another's bad impact. Okay, that's all from me. Sorry for any mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.